DJI Mini 5 Pro StartRC Hard Case review. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at StartRC recently sent me their brand new hard case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro to review. So without any further ado, let's get to the review. Go ahead and take a look at the StartRC hard case for the Mini 5 Pro. Here's a guide that StartRC provides that shows you what goes in what compartments. With pictures, it's very easy to follow. Now they do go ahead and put foam in all the spots, so the first thing you need to do is to remove all that foam. Now there's also a handle that you can attach to the sides. Those are the 3 battery compartments. That is for the filters case. And then there is, on some of these, you need to take out the foam beneath it so it will fit flush and all the way into the case. That happens to be the spot where the battery compartment goes. And there is an extra piece beneath there as well. And this is where I will probably put a charger in there. We're going to go ahead and take out the insert for where the controller goes, but then we're also going to take out the outer ring so we can get the R2 controller in there. And there is a piece beneath that as well that you can remove for additional storage. So let's go ahead and start putting some things in here. We're going to put the batteries in first. Go ahead and put the charging base here. You can see that fits flush with the case. And there is a piece beneath here as well too, so we can take that out, so we go ahead and get the charger in. And that fits very nicely. So let's go ahead and put the filters case in. Let's take the Mini 5 Pro and get that put in its slot. And then we'll put the propellers beneath the controller here. Get all those in. And then you do have to remove the joysticks whenever you do go ahead and store the case. And put that in the case. And we'll close it up here. Has a really awesome, incredible latching system here. You see there's the air pressure relief valve for it. And we're going to go ahead and reopen it up again. It latches very well. It's very secure. Okay, and that is the StartRC hard case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mini 5 Pro StartRC hard case review? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.